Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you an average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top, and to date the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so today, we're going to talk about the political activists. Yes, if you can hear me, just let me, just give me just give the video a thumbs up. Yes, give the video a thumbs up. Comment in the description box that you can hear me. Can you hear me? If you can, just let me know that you can hear me. So we can continue. You understand? We can continue this live. Okay. All right. Thanks, Sonia. Thanks. Nice night. Yeah. Happy. Yes. Blessed love, Sister Jackson. Yeah. So today, we're gonna talk about the political activists in the police force. There are so many of them, and they are a threat to national security, whether or not you want to believe it, for the citizens of Jamaica. And we're gonna talk about it. So you're looking at two men right now. Yes. On your left, that's Renita D. Cardova, Valentina Adams. Never work. When I say never work with him, we never work at the same police station. So I know the man. Never know him as a name brand police, like like Tom, like when I talk about name brand police, I talk like like Tom Levine, Tony Hewitt, Trinity, Isaiah Lang. You that talk about Johnny come lately. You understand what I'm saying? And based on the information that we had received and obtained about about Renita Adams, he wasn't a bad police even when he said that traffic. Yeah, Renita Adams was a hustler. We are telling that. Yeah, Renita Adams was a hustler when he was at traffic. Yeah, he used to seize people illegal, but we that for another day. So yeah, Renita Adams was not like this man. When you talk about bad man police were criminal, were murder afraid, name brand police. This man, what you looking at right there on your left, that man in the black shirt, That's the man that killed the most criminal ever in the history of Jamaica. That man name is Tom Levine. There's no other police, no Trinity, no Leng, no Tony Hewitt, no Calvin Benjamin. None of them cannot come anywhere close to him. This man's supposed to kill at least over 160 murderers in Jamaica. And this man was not a political activist. One thing I know for a fact, having spoken to him and worked with him, this man the 8 people from him, 8 Rima gunmen them, yes. Yeah, and the reason for that is because of what he have experienced, as a police officer when he was at Kingston West Division. One of his partner was killed in a shootout. So we're going back now to, the conversation about the political activists posing as police officers. They are a threat and them dangerous, to the Jamaican people. And the reason for that, so we are going to elaborate on the importance of impartiality in law enforcement and why using police powers for political purposes undermines the foundation of democracy and the rule of law. The reason why we are saying that now about these guys, using their powers as police officers to undermine the rule of law is that man at the bottom now, his name is Rowan James. Yes, Rowan James, he is the former chairman of the Jamaica Police Federation. Rowan James is not a police. He's a political activist. PMP criminal organization supporter activist in a uniform. Just like Renita Adams. Renita Adams do it different. What Renita Adams did in his time was that Renita Adams was the point man in the police force when PJ Pattis was Prime Minister and Francis Forbes was Commissioner of Police. Anytime the PMP is about to call up election, a general election, them just send Renita Adams down to Tivoli Gardens and them just go down there and start shoot randomly, kill women, old people, pitney, puss, dog and everything. And then them say them all look for guns. No guns and all of these things. Hey, look, I can tell you, the same emotion that evokes some police officers evoke me too when it come on to criminals. But the thing is that now, when you're a police officer, you're supposed to be impartial. You're not supposed to make it been seen or obvious that you're a political activist. And the reason why, as I have come to the conclusion that Renita Adams was a political activist, I have never seen him go into Concrete Jungle or Johnson, where I'm from, and and flush it out. Never, ever. Or Matthews Lane, or Rockfort. When him go Rockfort, it's just a labor at them. And we are showing the woman named Arlene Macbean, her brother. When time him go out there and him kill the youth, the labor right gang leader Punky. Police officer not supposed to operate like that. You're supposed to be above board and you're supposed to be, for the rule of law. You understand? We don't have a problem to get rid of criminal. We believe in a preemptive strikes. Yes, because it saves lives. That is us. That's all we see things. But when time you have police officer, behave typical look like these two men. As you look to the left, that a woman, she named Arlene Macbean, and below Arlene Macbean, that is Rowan James. Beside Arlene Macbean, that is Andre Blackman Bryan. That he was the leader of the Klansman Wandan gang in Spanish Town. And them unleash terror on the people in Spanish Town. Tesha Miller, same thing too. The reason why we said that we're telling you that both these police officers, they are political activists, and we're talking to the Jamaican people and people in the diaspora to show that the PMP is is a cult. You see, Corporal Rowan James, I don't know if you guys remember when he had took the police officers them and during the pandemic and took them downtown and have them at the Supreme Court demonstrating police officers with placard. Never ever in a history of police force. Those that kind of behavior is left for the people who are from back to Riverton, Tivoli Garden, just like how in time I like Dudus and the woman them come out and say, boy, Jesus died for us and then we die for Dudus. That is what this man was able to do. Get police officers to go down to Supreme Court to demonstrate against the government of the day, which was the GLP government. All right, look now. So he says that we just show you how them stay in. Them not love Jamaica, these are not people, them not love, they are not patriots, These are political activists. So them will burn on Jamaica. And them don't care about the welfare of the members of the Jamaican police force. So the thing is that now what happened with these people now with Matt Bean, yeah, she a sergeant now, woman sergeant Matt Bean. She could have begged till the ship boss. We don't stop talking about them because them are political activists. What they did now when they took the police officers them down by the Supreme Court and to demonstrate against the government. Said the government owed them 14 years of money, in which that was a fact, that was lies. The government, imagine you asking for 14 years of money and the government giving you 3 years. The government said, I don't owe you the money, because the thing that we are talking about, that is already iron out and we don't owe you the money. And the government said, we are give you 3-year free money. 3-year free money, and you just ride with it and go on, because you know that at the time when he was doing this, it was coming up close to the general election. Yes, so he never cared about the members, from the rank of the inspector down. All he cared about was the PMP criminal organization. All in Matt Bean and the others at the police federation, all of them, they weren't looking out for the members of the police, of the rank and file members of the police force. And when I speak, I'm speaking because I have served in the Jamaica Constabulary Force for over a decade. I am a police officer. Rowan James was a blue bag police, yes, special, auxiliary, and then, them bring them over. You understand? So he did not know what he wanted to be from day one. From I was 4, I know what I wanted to be. I want to be a police officer. I want to be a detective like this man, Tom Levine, the man who killed the most murderer of them in Jamaica ever in the history of the police force. Renita Adams, baby to this man. Baby, Renita Adams. Yeah, the same Renita Adams where I want to yeah, bring him back. Renita Adams is a political activist. Renita Adams can't clean the dirt off of this man's shoes. Trinity. Tony Youth were dead. Dadrick Henry. You understand? The only person who come the closest to this man is Isaiah Leng. And the reason why I'm telling you that, because I am from the community where the boat men operate. These police officers, Tom Levine and Isaiah Leng, them, guess what? These are the police officers who drive around and search people and everything. Anytime these police officers leave out of them office, you know, say a bingo. You know, say anytime you hold a shot of fire, you know, say them. Them not harass people. That's why the people them love them. These police officers weren't political activists. Isaiah Leng, Tom Levine, and Trinity. Them say Trinity was labor, but I would beg to differ. Trinity wasn't a labor right or anything. Trinity, you understand? Because Trinity, even the labor, them never like Trinity. So we just show you how political activists operate in a police force. So Renita Adams now and Rowan James, these men, they were in police. They are not patriots. They are not, they weren't for the rule of law. They were all about their political party. You get 3 years money. And that way I tell you about police, some of them are, real dummies. You get 3 years money, and the government give you that, forgive the police them. And instead of you take the 3 years money for your members them, Rowan James get that chance and opportunity, when he was the leader of the police federation. And him tell the government, no, out there demonstrate for the PMP criminal organization for the next election. In which they lost to the Jamaica Labour Party. As me, as a police officer, I don't care about the political party. I would want the 3-year money instead of him take the police officer them down to the Supreme Court to demonstrate. So now that and guess what? At the same time, before then, this man break all the rules and regulations of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The man reported said that he's sick. This man, Corporal Rowan James. So he's not a police, This man not supposed to see a police station as anytime him going to a police station, him supposed to go in there as a complainant or an accused, not a police officer, because he was not. He's the kind of police officer that is dangerous, that will give criminals his gun to commit crimes, or he would aid them in committing crime. Like, when I was growing up, you have 2 police officers. Yeah, man, operated out of Jonestown. The man I was PMP more than Michael Manley. Big youth, I want him Barry Hamilton. Them call him Police Barry. Anybody will come from Jonestown in the 70s, don't matter about. Both policemen, them would have, when them come with the marked police vehicle, them and gunmen, I talk about man from in a community at Jonestown, with the legal gun, M16, and them would have go in a police vehicle, and them would have go down and rema any labor here and kill labor and then come back and laugh about it, how much labor them kill. So, and then you'd hear it come out, say, boy, police involved in a shooting and how many people dead. But there's no police report, although a police vehicle, because these men were operating as political activists for the PMP criminal organization. And that is what Rowan James is, the kind of police officer. So what he did now, Rowan James, he reported sick. Yes, him sick. And guess what? The man was out there now, reported sick and out there in a campaign for a man named Valentine in UN then. When he's supposed to be home resting, because when you're sick, you're sick. So the man had committed a crime that is called malingering. And guess what now? So the PMP, you know, at the time when he's out there campaigning for the PMP for Valentine, and them have the man even on camera and all of these things, you know. So you have a guy now when him to show you know the system corrupt, you know. So them have him on camera doing all kind of things, you know, when him supposed to be there as a police officer, you know, to show that you know, him supposed to be home as a police officer, resting and doing, you know, from because he claimed that he's sick. The man was out there campaigning for the PMP criminal organization in a bandana, everything orange, yeah. He's more PMP than PJ Patterson and Michael Manley. Police, you know, represent the police federation. You understand? And he was out there campaigning. The police people in the community, yeah, like, you know, you have whole heap of lecturer, you see in a UN then, that is opposite from Marvally. A lot of educated people live over there, so, you know, lecturers, people who teach at the University of the West Indies, you know that I get a university. And some of them recognize him and they call the police and, you know, and say, hey, look, call up by the commissioner officer and say, hey, look, you have a policeman out here in a political paraphernalia with all the candidate name in a t-shirt out, and that's not supposed to be, because from in the 70s we are trying to the police force have been trying to getting rid of people like this out of the police force, and now we have a policeman here in a political paraphernalia. So the police them come and them send people from special branch. That's why we are telling you, anything that the PMP is for, you must be against it if you want a better Jamaica. Special branch police, just listen now. I am telling you, you know, people in Jamaica and the diaspora, they came and they start to question Corporal Rowan James and them video him in all of these things, you know. Yeah, them video Corporal Rowan James in a PMP criminal organization paraphernalia. I'm supposed to be a woman sick leave. So there's all of these evidence gathered and submitted. Based on the laws, and policies of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, no police officers not supposed to be out there at any time, whether on duty or off duty, campaigning for any political party or showing that they're political activists. Although Bigger Four did it, you know. Bigger Four did it in 1989 when the PMP criminal organization won, and he was in the front of the Gleaner, putting his fist in the air, right in front of a crowd. Everybody know that Bigger Four was PMP. At the time, he was Detective Sergeant. If the laws, rules, and regulation of the Jamaica Constabulary Force was in effect, Bigger Four should be kicked out forthwith. But because he's a PMP, and I saw it go with corruption, there's no morals, ethics, decency, truthfulness, and them not believe in a rule of law. So because I'm a Michael Manley send Bigger Four, you know, go a Port Royal. The man don't do no police test, you know. And the man that was brigadista, you know. I tell you that, you know. Yeah, allegedly based on information received. The man are not police. The man never do no police test like Isaiah Leng and Tom Levine and the man. And if you notice, we're not even mention Bigger Four in terms of when it come on to name brand police. Because in time you have name brand police and you give your family police uniform for go rob cigarette truck. A Bigger Four do attack, you know. You're not a police. Him cousin when you're laddie. Ask him. Because laddie, you know, laddie did talk and them thing and laddie have one son and one and two little things that were cut off Red Hills Road. Oh, you're police and you give your family police uniform for go rob cigarette truck. You're not a police. So that's why anytime we talk about some police and we hear some people talk about this, that. No, if you're a thief and them thing, we don't respect you. You're not a police, you're a criminal. Because, you know, what's in it for me. So the special branch now, police officer them submit all of the necessary information to this man, the commissioner of police, or the Lowland. Yeah. And he was the stupidest commissioner of police, who was not a police officer, who was fake. So them submit all of the necessary information to this man for him kick out Corporal Rowan James. You know, so the man a PMP, you know. So him not do nothing about that. Him shelve the file. And that's how this man was able to even continue in the police force. Until today, although he's an interdiction and him we out of the police force. Him not supposed to come back in the police force at no time. And to all of you young police officers and all, most of you who are PMP criminal organization supporters, I know the reason why you are PMP because most of you are thieves. I talk to you because I work with you. Most of you police officers are thieves. Yes, because you love the PMP, you don't love the PMP, because PMP is all about thieving, criminality, and all of these things. I don't care what PMP them doing because I just love them. The PMP disrespect the police in every way. Look, when it come on to the firearm act and the labor never fix it, The PMP, look, I show you the PMP disrespect the police, They don't like the police, because most of the police them are idiots, I tell you that, because them not no sense. Even when I was police officer, I listen to them and them thing, I say, them dumb. Me say all police officer were charged murder, got a prison and they on death row. And when a PMP in a power, and when him appeal, in a Jamaica, the appeal court say, no, if you dead a prison and them thing, because man, them killers are PMP. You understand? And when the guy Privy County said, but this man is an innocent man, him shouldn't even die jail. But yet still, one police named Lawrence. Yeah, me I tell him name Lawrence. See him PMP, them send him a prison, and he must still PMP see him, I mean, I say, look at that. Because him kill a man who was a PMP activist, and them send him a prison, and I Privy County free him. So now here him I say, no, him say him on Caribbean Court of Justice. I mean, I say, that's a real dummy. You understand? I Privy County free him, If I name Privy County, because he was on death row, he would be in prison right now. You understand? And him still I say, yeah. But that's what them still say. But I can think. I am not like them. So you have to understand how the political activists them operate. So this man, he wasn't a police, him fake. That's why anytime police officers say all men like him come around, say my police, you just turn your back upon him and tell him, say, hey, you're not a police and them thing there. You're an imposter. Them plan to because you're a political activist. You understand? So that's how it is. We want a better police force. We want a police force with a political activists in it, like Rowan James and men like Renita Adams, where their loyalties to the PMP criminal organization and not to the Jamaican people. So we are continuing the journey. So imagine a society where the guardians of law and order align themselves with political factions instead of upholding justice, impartiality, and using their authority to persecute opponents and protect allies. Yeah, and the reason why we tell you that no one thing now. So when Renita Adams was at crime management unit, and we can't tell you this, police were working with him, every day, them saying, him in a labor right part of August and harass just the labor right them. And I saw some of my police them said, no, we can't work with this man. This man is not a police, my political activist. We have criminal on both sides of the aisle, so you understand what I'm saying? But that's how them operate. So when all the year talk about fix the crime thing in Jamaica and them thing, nobody know. Only dummy would take him serious because Renita Adams was not a police officer. He was a political activist. And I can tell you this. When I know Renita Adams as my inspector infantry, I used to see him as like a full police. I never see him as because Renita Adams is a bad police. You understand? Renita Johnny come lately. And the media promote him because he was doing what they want him to do. You have to understand, so most of the media in Jamaica is the destruction of black people. So that's why them encourage poor people them to commit crime and tell them say police are them enemy. That's why as any little thing them black road and them show them on TV and the same people them when do that them feel say something good them do. Them know say I destroy them, they self-destruct. Because these people do not love them. Same people them, and because most of them will never ever be able to even go close to these people and their families. Because them don't want them around them. So as we just tell you about Renita Adams, how them use them, them office to persecute them opponents. So such a scenario, it strikes at the core of democratic values and poses a grave threat to the welfare of the people. In Jamaica, as in any democratic nation, the role of law enforcement is pivotal in ensuring the safety and security and rights of all citizens. So we don't want, we don't want only, why only PMP supposed to feel safe, or only Labour right supposed to feel safe, are people, where when I subscribe to either political party, every Jamaican for feel safe. We're not supposed to label no Jamaican say, boy, you're PMP or you're Labour right, or this a community. Anywhere crime commit, the police them supposed to venture in there and do them job. You understand? I just saw it go. We have seen, to show you how politics are taking over the landscape of our country, where presently we have seen since here, how many rifles, a guy from named Riddick, sent down to Jamaica, to Arnett Garden, and we see these men firing the guns them, and we see them fire the gun them, on national TV, yeah. Because people them release the video. Up to now, we don't see security force them go down there, go down to jungle, and and take and find these guns. You understand? Lock it off. But we can tell you this one thing for sure. Anyhow, it was the other way around. Like saying, saying if it was the PMP government in a power, yeah, if it was them, trust me, them would have reached down there already. Yeah. So all right. So if you look now, so Rick Dick that is back that the Dan from Craigtown, and him that he's in between New Jersey, Camden County in New Jersey to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So yeah, that Rick Dick, man was sending all of them M16 here, M16 to Jamaica, and that opposition leader Mark Golding. And you see the man who that man name is Sammy. Sammy was Labour right, now him a PMP. So him a collect extortion money for Rick Dick, So the opposition leader is right beside a man who's a known criminal, Yeah, man, him not have a convict, allegedly because in background. I kind of collect extortion money, from the gas station and all these people in the Tarrington Bridge area. And I decide opposition leader and he's with him. And the man right here, that's the man who brought in the rifles them. Yeah, Rick Dick. So we soon show a Rick Dick photograph. And them have, hey, look here. And the man have big, the man have some big police friend, We are telling you, we're not talking about hard, we are talking about like senior superintendent of police. Because them boast, them boast about it. You understand? Yes, remember that, you understand what I'm saying? Remember that I am from, the same community that these people operate. You understand? And then boast all them control this and control that and all of these things. So, that's how it is. So, we continue the journey. We just want a better Jamaica. A better Jamaica where everyone can live in a peace and harmony. We don't want a political activist. We don't want a Rowan James. We don't want a Renita Adams in the police force. We want to get them out of the police force. This is not the 1970s, although we know the PMP want to go back to that era where them can terrorize the Jamaican people. We are tired of them things there. The people want to live in a peace. Police are supposed to be terrorists. You understand? So such a scenario strike at the core of democratic values and poses a threat to the welfare of the people. In Jamaica, as in any democratic nation, when police officers deviate from this mandate for protect the people from the role of law enforcement and become political activists, they are not only betray the trust placed in them, but also sow seed of discord and injustice within the society. And the reason why we're saying that now, for a man like Renita Adams, I don't know him sleep at night. Yeah, I don't, I don't know what kind of drugs him take. Because for you, just kill 4 old people, and all of them old people that were killed on West Kingston. In a name for PMP win, and then you got Portland. Yeah, you got Portland with your handler, Dana Williams, and I talk about, 4th term and all of these things. And then you're going to say, oh, man, a PMP. Come on, how you a fool? Yourself, you're a fool and them things. That would be like a man who say, I'm a thief or I'm a druggist. I'm saying, no, sir, I'm not a thief. I'm not a druggist. You're a druggist. You're a thief. You're a PMP activist in a uniform. So I don't know who you're a fool when you're there at Portland, a big party, and I say 4th turn. You understand? You're a political activist. You're a police boss. So I don't know who you're trying to fool. So Jamaican cops who are political activists act on behalf of their party and not the welfare of the people of Jamaica are terrorists. because they are not impartial and they only use their police powers to attack their opponents. And that's what these people have done. Renita Adams and Rowan James, all of the people them that at the police federation. So you see the police them that the police them that is going to the next general conference. Yeah, Rowan James, nobody, if them invite Rowan James not supposed to be there, he's no longer a police officer, it's an interdiction. So him not supposed to at no time, Rowan James not supposed to be anywhere near anything to do with policing or the police federation. Police officer do not support Corporal Rowan James because he the black man in the JCF and they need to kick him out of force with. So yeah, look right here now, you say Arlene McBean, she's a sergeant of police, and Rowan James. The two of them, there's no difference between them, between Rowan James, Sergeant McBean, and Blackman, Andre Blackman, because them are all PMP political activists. They don't care about the police officers. Imagine all of you police officers who were serving when he took the police down to the Supreme Court to demonstrate against the government, and they were getting 3-year free money. These are the people, all of them that's there at the police federation, even this day, they refuse to take the money, 3-year free money that you guys were getting. And those of you who are talking about, we want Rowan James at the conference. No, Rowan James not supposed to be here. He's not a police officer, he's a political activist. He's supposed to look by Hope Road, up by the PMP criminal organization headquarters, because he wasn't representing all of you. But we know someone are dummy, Yeah, because once I saw on the stage just like the Gaza Nation them. Once you like somebody, you don't care what crime, what them do. Or just because you like them, so when you like them, you're going to stick with them. Rowan James never loved any of you. All Rowan James loved was the PMP criminal organization. So that's what he was looking out for. He wasn't looking out for not one of you. Never, ever. So all of you that they attack, Rowan James must be at the general conference of the federation. You don't want him named for personal non grata. And anyone who has support attack about him supposed to be there. Especially you have people who never serve in a police force. Like you have people who do all the police tests all 7 times and never pass. And them in a police business. We're not supposed to listen to them because them are political activists. Them are informer and them are threat to national security cards. They have never came out and tell the youth them from where they are from to stop commit crimes, education, and stuff like that. No, they're not into that because they are all criminals and all about what's in it for me, and they will do anything to destroy Jamaica just to get a food. Yeah, eat a food mentality. I saw them do it. You understand? So you know that we're not in that. We are patriots. They are not patriots. Patriots are people defend Jamaica at all costs. So the police should treat every citizen equally because their job is to serve, protect, reassure. Period. Nothing else. You're not supposed to out there about 4th term and you tell the people them will work with you in the police force. So you have PMP and you have this and you have the Prime Minister number. A police this way I used to work with him and I tell you all of them things. And if man on a PMP, because Leroy Nice used to be on his team, I used to work in Leroy Nice, one a police officer, involved in a killing and Atimagan. And them treat him real bad, although him pass away. Rest in peace, Leroy. And Leroy, him come from Jones Avenue to and the man there was PMP, you understand. But although the man in a PMP, the man in a police. But Renita Adams never see him as a police, him see him as a political activist, and him supposed to do what Renita Adams want him to do. And Leroy Nicely was not into that. I'm saying my police, you understand. So we continue, we continue the journey. So Jamaican cops who are political activists, yeah man, you know that these people them betray them out of office. These are not people they are not patriots. They are traitors to the Jamaican people. And it's undermined trust and confidence that people should have in their police force. So when them use them police powers to target them political opponents, say them are dangerous people. Law enforcement agencies are tasked with the solemn responsibility of upholding the law without fear or affection, malice or ill will. They are the custodians of justice, entrusted with safeguarding the rights and liberties of every individuals, regardless of their political beliefs, social status, or personal affiliations. These police officers only care about if you are PMP. They don't care about them not talk about Jamaican. Them say you're a comrade. Just like how you have all a brother with me and Mr. Garnet Hyde. Him leave as sergeant, you know. That I want police when I was young police. When I was a young police officer. I honestly, you know, I have no, you know, although that's one of the things that I have done in my career that I did not follow the rules, regulation, and policy of the Jamaican Constabulary Force. When I was told by Corporal Lloyd Scott, you know, to write a statement against this policeman for thief, about that I have, you know, I had to do, you know, protect my life and recover a brand new, you know, under 50. It did have all, you know, certain syrup on it and everything. And this policeman scrapped the bike, scrapped all right and put it on his bike and said, I am the one that give it to him. And you know, he's a PMP criminal organization activist, you know. Even right now, him name Garnet Hyde on Facebook. You will see everything when put about PMP. And him the claim say my pastor and him a thief, you know. Scrap the bike. And because Scotty, you know, Scotty, I don't know if he must labor, but Scotty never like people like yours truly because of where I'm from. But him otherwise from that, although him not like my community, but him just love work with me because, you know, I was committed to the task and in protecting the people. And Scotty warned for sending him to prison. So I didn't know it was politics between the two of them or ethics, but Scotty and I, although the two of we work, we weren't friends. And I never did want Scotty to hurt him. But lo and behold, you know, you understand, later on, find out the same police where I had saved, same thief in police, yeah, man. And when I said that without any apology, Garnet Hyde from prison, end up, you know, become one of my biggest nemesis. Yes. You see a police, you know, be safe for a prison. You understand? If I had just done that, he would have a prison for thief by Garnet Hyde, come from St. Mary. And in the on Facebook, everywhere you see a like PMP thing them. You understand? But they will try all kind of, you understand what I'm saying? So we show you how them stay. They are not police, you know, them are political activists. You understand? So you know that the police, they are the custodian of justice, entrusted with safeguarding the rights and liberties of every individuals, regardless of their political belief and them social status. But these police officers, from your PMP, yeah, them do everything and cut corners and do everything to protect them comrades. You're not supposed to be like that. And anything that you see that the PMP is for, if you have sense, you must be against it. Remember, you know, it's the same special branch that caught Corporal Rowan James in a PMP paraphernalia, the T-shirt and all of these things on camera. And you know what the PMP did? The PMP dismantled it. And that will show you now, say, both of them are, you know, and guess what? You don't think so the labor them come back in they're in power. They would have made the commissioner of police reinstate back special branch. A special branch why we know say this man was out there campaigning for the PMP criminal organization, you know. A special branch why Jamaica know about the traffic euro. $33 million at the PMP and Colin Campbell got and lodge it to him account. And Philip Powell, all of the criminal them in the PMP and them scrap it. And you don't think now, so the Jamaica Labour Party now, even right now, that's a boy. But this is a good agency. This is an agency, you know, where the British left to us, you know. And look, at both time, Corporal Rowan James and the Traffic Bureau thing, that special branch, you know, released to the public. You don't think, say, them as a boy, this is a good agency, but apparently, them are criminals, too. Because it's still there, them scrap it, the PMP, them scrap it, and the JLP, them are reinstated. So both of them are look out for each other. Because what they're saying, well, if them find them dirt there and release it, then we find dirt on we too. So that means them not clean either. So it's just one of them, a dirty water, you know, but one of them dirtier. They dirty, and the next one dirtier. I just saw it go. Because if both of them, if they were set them off and fix the country when they come on to crime, reinstate back special branch, a special branch expose Rowan James, you know, a special branch expose traffic bureau. They can't, you understand? And them not reinstate it because guess what? The whole of them are thief though. The whole of them, all of them are thief. Because if they not reinstate special branch, they must them have something to hide. Because you understand? And for sure, so how it corrupt on them thing. There. Look on all of the guns them with all the guns with them issue to all like criminals them in a Jamaica. Over 10,000 criminals. Up to now, when I see a police officer head roll, nobody in the charge sheet, nobody being sacked, nobody being forced, asked to resign. So you know, say both of them are corruption run Jamaica. Look at Isaac Buchanan. If right now this prime minister want to say my lead a country free from corruption, Isaac Buchanan not supposed to be practicing the law. No convicted drug dealer not supposed to be officer of court. So all of them, you know, as we say, you know, both of them one dirty and one dirtier. Because you can't tell we say you're not part of the swamp. If you're not part of a swamp, then you're supposed to start cleaning the swamp. Isaac Buchanan not supposed to be in any court or submitting a file to no court and address the court. Because the man is a convicted drug dealer. So we not try fix it. Hey, look here, we don't care no water for no guy, you know, man. We don't care water for no guy. We are all about Team Jamaica. And we want back Jamaica. We don't this, when we say we want back Jamaica, and we want it back from them. This not have nothing to do with politics. This have everything to do with Jamaica. We don't want one I try fix it. Try, you know. Or I pretend. Would I say pretend, say them I fix it. Because them not fixing it. That's why we say we want it back from these people. Even right now with the constitution with them, that they're coming up with, so they want to go republic. Where is the public? Where's the public? Where's the public? Their voice in this, because what would I like to see now is all of the politicians them will represent every constituency. Them supposed to live in it. No politician are supposed to live up at Beverly Hills and represent down a jungle. Him for live a jungle and Jonestown. When he wake up, him smell the same aroma in the ear of the dog. The dog, you know what I'm talking, the dog, it smell it in the ear when he wake up. When him go in bed, if him not have AC, him know it feel if he asleep with in him shirt and him brief or him underpants. Because the way him hot. Them not supposed to live uptown. We are the people, we are the common people. We are and this you know, what I tell you, you know. So when I talk about organizing, this is why poor people have to do it for themselves, you know. But you know, say anything where you do, you still need money. You understand? You still need money. You think the same rich people are going to contribute to poor people for them organize? Say, boy, we want a seat, not because we're dunce. We want a seat at the table. And the only thing we want from in the new constitution, one, we want to make certain, say, anyone who represent we in a parliament and be a prime minister, them born at Jamaica, them not have no other citizenship. Period. Two, we want every member of parliament or who want to represent us in a parliament, them live in a community, in the constituency. We don't want nothing else from us. Any of the Jamaican people, just them two things they don't want in a new constitution, you know. And we tell you, say, Jamaica would be a better place. That's the both things. One, you don't want nobody with no dual citizenship. Whether them born in Britain, them born in Canada, them born in Moscow. Yeah, I remember give the video a thumbs up. Thumbs up the video, yeah. Thumbs it up. Yeah, thumbs up the video. You know, as we say, as you come in the first thing you do, just give the video a thumbs up so that and share the video. Share the live with others. Because that's so knowledge of power, you know. Don't keep knowledge to yourself alone, you know. You understand? Yeah. Give the video a thumbs up. Because you know we have over 100 people I watch and I just 40 and yeah, give it a thumbs up. Yeah man, I appreciate it. 53. Yeah, at least we should have at least 75% because we want the thing going. You understand? Yeah, so we are on the side of poor people, because I look here, the majority of people in Jamaica poor, We never born rich, We don't come from a middle class family and everything then. We come from poor family. And we never see when our parents never did see crime as no way for get out. Because when you commit crime, at two places you're going up, the departure long, or you're end up a prison. So that's why we are saying the poor people then, where are theirs? You notice, them the poor people now on a seat at a table when they come on to the new Jamaica going Republic, all of these people represent the poor people, Because I can tell you this, when I talk, I talk on behalf of them because they are educated to and them up there now. They are there. Even if they are from them don't want the same poor people them in them family. I tell you that. Because them say them are corrosing, which is true. and Corobunkers, because if you had listened to even the one the British baby mother saga and him daughter Kelly, you say, wow, no sir, hey, them mouth filthy, So you don't know, when them hear them thing and say, although them live uptown, and you understand, that's why they don't want them around them, You say, wow, no sir, if you don't want them kind of people around you, or them mouth filthy and them just to them, them look cool to them in a for them eyes and in a dear community, them look cool. But like for us who are intelligent people and understand, one-on-one communication, we know so like them now, you look down at them with scorn. But them don't know that, because you can express yourself and communicate in a decent way. They can't, because that's just their nature. Second hand, the poor people, them not no seat at table. Jamaican for Justice is a part of the PNP criminal organization, so they don't represent poor people. The only thing with them do is encourage poor people from like my community at Johnson and Jungle to commit crime. For them police, for them go out there rob, them dead, them friend kill them, or they end up in prison. So when them tell about so them are defend your rights, them not defend your rights, nothing. They are hungry, they are encouraging you to go to prison and dead. Them now come in at Jonestown, our jungle, and bring Marcus Garvey book and tell them, say, look here, this are the best way. No, them not telling her that. Them are telling us, say, police are an enemy because we're not supposed to go out there and commit crime and rob people and commit all kind of thing. And the same people, them like Michael Jackson and Lisa and Dana Scott, all of these women, them have license on, and them always have it in them bag. And yet still, them, although you see them are going on and thing, you think them like, them not like, I'm telling you, time with they run them, even when me a police and so them talk about poor people. CMPMP criminal organization, activists and supporters, them look upon like nothing. Them, you understand me, I tell you. So we continue. So the fundamental principle that guides police officers' actions is the pursuit of truth, fairness, and equality before the law. However, when police officers prioritize their allegiance to a particular political party over their duty to serve the public, they betray this sacred trust and compromise the very essence of their profession. So in time like Corporal Rowan James now, so he was there now at the Jamaica Police Federation representing rank and file members. Yes, he might represent rank and files member. This man, and him claims the boy him love the police them, and he might get 3 year free money from the Minister of Finance, Dr. Nigel Clark. Here the dumb him dumb now. Him and she, the PMP this man, the former PMP Police Federation chairman, Rowan James, Arlene McBean and the others, them made a bold decision. Them refused the 3 year money, free money from Dr. Nigel Clark, and took the government to court, fighting for their party and not members. As a police officer, I would want the 3 year free money because the government never have none. Imagine, hey, look, you think the PMP criminal organization do that? Remember, the same Rowan James, when the PMP in a power after them to catch him on camera, when I'm PMP power for him, I see all the one and him bulldog him get soup the other day. Big PMP activist, Yeah, man. Rowan Bulldog Wilson, big PMP, you see him get soup the other day. And one next old man, and them say him have 22 years service. I say, wait, when you minter? The manager in the work after me left, after me left the police force, the man they are soup, and you have police where him minter came and clean all them boots and him a soap. What's so it go on them things? So say politics are because them connected to the Rear Admiral Club, and man a play with man balls and all kind of things. I just saw it go. You understand? So these are the people where them betray the same police officer them. Yeah, man, all because in the name of them party. So them not care about police. Yeah, we still answer no question and them thing there. Until we finish the presentation, because we just want to show the Jamaican people that police officers who are political activists, them dangerous. You understand? So impartiality lies at the heart of the criminal justice system. Should be. But saying in Jamaica, that's not how it is. Anything that you see the PMP criminal organization is for, you must be against. The PMP criminal organization is never, ever for the best for the Jamaican people or for the Jamaican brand Jamaica. Remember, the same PMP, They are the ones that get what him name Doctor Dr. Francis Wilfred Rattigan and Ugly Sum and the others them for desecrate Brand Jamaica. So them a treat Brand Jamaica now like Brand Jamaica is Andrew Holness or the Jamaica Labour Party. Brand Jamaica is Jamaica. All of us who were born and have that flag, say that our nationality, we are Jamaican. That's what they were demonstrating against. But because them know that them supporters and those who are ideologues and them can't think, them feel so when them a do that, in a foreign country, them a demonstrate against the Labour Party and the Labour government. And not understanding that they have demonstrated against Jamaica. And it was supported by Mark Gummy Beer Golden, the foreigner. The same man, who talks him love Jamaica, because him no want to give up him citizenship, And we are going to talk about that in another way. You understand? Always remember this. Always remember this. The devil is a liar. Some people that say the only PMP criminal organization in Jamaica tell more lie than the devil. Yeah, I tell you that straight up. Yeah. Them will tell you that. Some people will tell us say only the PMP criminal organization tell more lies than the devil. And so the devil is a liar. Satan is the art of lying. Everything that's evil. Just look to them. These people, yeah, hey, look, over here, son of the goldfishes, So if you think, say, you come over here with a massage, no, you're not going to get that. We are telling the real mama papa truth. All right? Yeah, what about? We can't point to the labor right police where oppress the people, them are act on behalf of them political party. We can't tell you that. You understand? Them try for label Leng, say, yeah, say, boy, Leng a labor right can kill. The man up to now, we can't point to anything like that. I see him thing that's about Tom Levine. So it's anytime you work, and because remember saying a majority of the people them in a Kingston metropolitan area, the criminals them, they are from PMP communities. And that's why most of these 98% of the people them in a prison are from PMP communities, because that's all the PMP know how to produce. And we are telling that. So that's why when you have police officers like Arlene McBean, yes, the sergeant, them promoter, and the others them are at the police federation right now. That's why when you have these people, these people are a police officer, they must have on a uniform. So the Jamaican, and remember, all right, so even the other day, the Jamaican Police Federation, them left a policeman in a jail, to rot, because the policeman kill a PMP criminal organization. Clansman gunman. Yes. Who know of any peaceful clans? Who know of any peaceful gunman? If you know a peaceful gunman, tell me. Who try to kill the policeman and them let him, you understand, rat in a jail. And because police officer contact with and we call them out. Yeah man, them time the McBean it was still there, all in McBean. Yeah, them are more PMP than Michael man. They don't care about police. All them care about them party. So them want to the PMP, the Jamaica Police Federation, to be an arm of the PMP criminal organization, in which the Police Federation supposed to be there. Just remember the Jamaica Constable, not for no political party. You're supposed to be looking out for your members. You get 3-year free money from the government and you refuse it and go down and go demonstrate because you want your party to become government. What kind of madness that? When your party in a power and you're not in a pandemic, now nothing, you sign 0% increase. Hey, I don't know any mathematician or person where understand statistics or number or calculus. If you know of any time where 0 is positive, you can't tell me where 0 increase. I've never seen 0 increase, nothing, because 0 just keep the thing level. It not move or anything like that. 0, if 0, the closest thing to 0 now, you go negative. Because if you go both say you give somebody 0% increase, me never hear that yet. And all of these people that there, them did it already. All in McBean and all of them, man, Rowan James, Raymond Bulldog Wilson, we get soup the other day. 0% increase. Them man never fire a shot in them life. They never write a traffic ticket. Them man a police. Them are political activists. But that's how it suit them, So that's why, like all the little young police them when them put a CTAC, they are the one of them I use now for do all of the work. Because them can't get the season hardcore police don't work. Because them know say the system is corrupt and the system is designed for political activists and for the paper tigers. One God's earth, you have a man where a superintendent of police, where lead a division and never write a ticket and never involved in a shooting. You see, in a military where me serve and them thing there, you can lead a platoon or a squad and you never involved in you don't have no experience in them thing. You understand? But these are the people that put them call them station managers. Madness. So we continue the journey. Yeah, so and this are for the people them, who support the police force. You know, say you have political activists in the police force. Them not care about the people of Jamaica. You understand? So yeah, true. This broadcast is so impartial. I love it, Detective Poe. Yeah, man. Thanks, Ruben. Yeah, man. I'm just trying to keep everyone happy, but that's impossible. A good leader would lose the majority of people to save the nation. Yeah, yes, Durka. And the thing is that, with you can't look here, you can't make everybody happy, You have you say if you don't stand for something, you will fall for anything. And for save Jamaica, you have to stand up for it. You understand? Yeah, man. Well, demonstrate or we are gonna demonstrate for your country. The thing is that accountability, accountability. You understand, Dan? It's all about accountability. And the thing is that right now, when in Jamaica, when it come on to the rule of law, when nobody defending the rule of law, people, as we tell them, going to pretend they're not trying to fix anything, Because number one, as we said before, Isaac Buchanan should not be any Isaac Buchanan not supposed to be in as an officer in court. And then you have councillors who are convicted drug dealers. Oh, we have that. So them same man, although them pretend so them want to fix the thing, them same man mash it down because even the same Dr. Chang is one of them who is for giving people second chance at life, criminals. You understand? I want to believe in that. If a man, you commit a crime, you supposed to live with that till you're dead. Misdemeanor is totally different. Or a man convicted twice in cocaine and you give him clean police record. A madness that. So you're telling next youth now, so you're encouraging youth them to commit crime. Because so you can't create an economy where everybody live a certain way. So you're telling them, say, boy, go take your chance, you understand? We don't know that. We don't support them thing there. You understand? See it. Yeah, Wilson a PMP, yeah, we know the Rowan Wilson a PMP criminal organization supporter. Them no look, yeah man, Wilson, yeah man. Yeah, Wilson, I thought he was suspect from a long. Saw him a few years ago, heard he had a. Yeah, well, hey, look here. From your evil and them thing there, all your art will attack you, Them the man, they're evil, Because, same have a youth, you have a youth who used to down there when him, Artless Stewart. I don't know what him do, but them say, even him see him and Rowan Wilson could have helped him and mash him up because the guy was a threat to become chairman of police federation. But look here, you see in a life, nothing beat than you do what is right. It's not always right. So if you understand, if you don't allow yourself to be caught in a wind, the wind can't blow you away. Yeah, one Jamaica, one love. Yeah, so that's how we're all about, Team Jamaica to protect this. So we believe it's ensure that every citizen is treated fairly and equally under the law, regardless of background or ideology. So when law enforcement officials succumb to political pressure or ideology, their ability to dispense justice impartially is eroded, leading to selective enforcement, arbitrary arrest, and the suppression of dissent. So this undermines public confidence in the justice system and foster a culture of impunity, where those in power can act with impunity knowing that they are immune from accountability. Yeah, so we have seen, we have witnessed, I first in the history of Jamaica where we see politicians are being held accountable. First, we see Royal Reid of the Jamaica Labour Party. Yeah, man. Him thief up money from Ministry of Education, him and him family. And we see them lock him up. As them lock him up, the Labour, them kick him out of the party. Them not have nothing to do with him. That have just a thief money, And we so address that because the government them have to put laws in place that like him now, Royal Reid will thief the money and all of the others them and the current will thief money and then get where. Although you thief the money and whether you get where you go to prison, the government go off of the money from day one and recoup it and put it back in our coffers. So that you have to put in policies in place to prevent people as a deterrent. Because a man knows say if you thief anything, and you thief any money and we can't find it, we seize your asset and all of them things there. Yeah, I just saw it go. So you have to pay it back, just like how in America. In America, and you work for the federal government or even state or as a contractor and you thief the money, but if you say you get with them, I'll lock you up and plus you have to reimburse the government. So it don't make sense you the thief it. But people still do it anyhow and feel say them I'll get with. You can't beat the system because documents prove liars to be liars. Yeah. So political policing, where law enforcement agencies are used as instrument of repression or coercion by the ruling party, represent a clear and present danger to democracy. That's how what PMP did with Renita Adams. Whether or not you know want to like it, even Renita Adams, and him knows what me I say, me I tell no lie. If Renita Adams and Harry Bongers and all these people say I lie, me, them can't come on. Yeah, man, they can't come on the Jamaica young police channel and tell me say I lie, me I tell. Because me have all of the facts, me not tell lie on people. These people, they were a threat to national security, to the Jamaican people, because these people were never acting in the interest of the Jamaican people. They were always on the side of their political masters. Yeah, PMP criminal organization. They don't care about Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, so just look on these two police officers. Yeah, man. So that time, man, you know, where them say, oh, yeah, Renita Adams can't fix it. All right, so just look. Renita Adams and Harry Bongs, I told them that to your right. And then between of all of the person in a PMP criminal organization, that are the only woman who have any integrity, character, credibility, and a patriot to Jamaica. That woman, she named Eda Robinson. I don't, some of you might never heard of her before because of, when your age, yeah. No, ugly, hey, ugly some, and boy, may I tell you, ugly some, another character. That man, a 7 time the man feel police this. 7 time. And this man want to be police so much that everything that have to do with police, him in a police business. Him forgot the police business have not, him never served, so I don't know him at talk about police thing. And this man, one of the biggest informer, ugly something, You never hear me talk about the crime where I come out of Rockfort, or the same man them out of Rockfort and rob the truck driver them will come for flour and a search and all you claim say you're a bad man, you lift up all man. Balls, I look if them have money and that. A PMP, the people them do that in out of Rockfort. People them from Ugly Son community. Ugly Son never join a 7 time Ugly Son the police test, Ugly Son is why them change it, From every look here, in the 80s, or even from ever since, you could have do a police test every week. You understand? Normally a man do it, 1 or 2 or 3 times and them fail. Them know say boy, is it them go back to school or say I know your thing. Ugly some do it, ugly some him how many times him go down at 79 Duke Street and every time him go him fail. The last time them try with him because him go with him father was special. Yeah, them call him blue bag. Ox and all man and call him paned. Cause anything from your auxiliary, Ox no respect for you, Yeah, that's a Donovan Ox O'Connor. Him call him paned. Him Ox no respect for DC or special, him call him paned. But me have respect for them because no problem with them. Because we are not competing. We not compete for promotion. You understand? So that's why me rather work with me love the auxiliary. So Ugly Some Pa, Ugly Some Pa took him down to 79 Duke Street on the last occasion. And him say, all right. But me don't know why I never came up a camp. Because say, for be a special, it's easier because say them not go through the training like us as regular police. I don't want a man feel say me a beat special, because me used to work it me can't tell you when I smartest special me I work it. I want brother when he in Glaston series son. From Silo or St. Elizabeth. I want the smartest police at me I work it. Believe you me. Yeah, I mean him soul rest in peace. I'm a virgin that. And then me used to work with a brother now on special. Yeah. Him name Glasses Stamps. He come from Spanish Town. The man don't like me and him thing. I do it. The man don't like me because true me don't like cowboy. I'm a cowboy, a friend. Me I tell you that straight. That's how police tell me. Police have honestly tell me that. Yeah. Say, hey, Porter, the man don't like you, because you don't like cowboy. I really go year a day for me and them thing. So I just saw it go. So me and him used to the on team. Knowledgeable police and them thing. Can't take that from him. And when the thing change over and become deputy soap, the music got didn't tell. I live a Spanish town and you understand. So we no bonfire upon them. So ugly some father they take him. Yeah, we just a digress because ugly some because you know say because ugly some know that in the 70s Michael man just send men from his community and send them to Port Royal for turn police. Them not do no police test or anything like that. Yeah. Them not do police test or anything like that. But these people, Michael man, they send them there and them just and tell them to turn them in the police. But most of them, were criminals, Yeah, man, from all even my community. So them come in a police force with one intention, just say fight politics. Them are PMP. These are PMP enforcers in a uniform. You have a brother will come from all jungle with the name and him did lose America Spanish Town because him did. I remember one time he killed a brother up in a St. Catherine, shoot up the man in him back. But that was back then and get a 38 from him. He named Tully. And guess what him do? Rape him woman sister, the girl named Artens. That Canada me say boy she lose all her mind. Yeah. Man, Tully was more PMP than Micah. He was brigadista. And the man they ain't done see them. You know all the man they become police, You have a next one that come from Maya Street or near Miles. All when Miles did lose the work on them thing, they still live at Jonestown. The man a thief too, Thief for him lose the work, So when me there at Jonestown before me join the police work, he was I work our wholesale downtown. And I say all the man and that me I say to myself, the man and ambition, Miles him name him black and shine. You understand? See him every day, I come off a bus. I say, all them brother, an ambition. Because the man was police, then get a break. Never do no police test, but because through them a brigadista. Just got police, but through them a thief. Yeah, you understand? And in the St. Catherine. Thief a Spanish Town. And then kick him out of the police force. And then him not work. So I'm not even know if him alive now on them thing. So I have to show you them say. So because ugly some know about them thing now. So him did feast, because Michael Manley, send all people go, send them because once you gotta fight the fight for the PMP criminal organization in a uniform to make the party maintain power. Him just send it. So him now ugly so me not try, but him never realize in the 80s now, say on a PMP in a power, or him not understand, I must feel say the labor right them do you see him thing, not realizing that the labor right government under Edward Siaga was doing it the right way. You have to do a test. Same father care ugly something down there and and in him uniform, with them 38 because back then, special when we used to get hospital, banks, and tax office and them thing because the man them used to rob or commit all kind of problem when they come on to these places. You got a Bustamante children hospital. You go there, you will see special, too special in them blue sea man. You understand them stand up out there and that used to happen in Jamaica, Same care him son go down there and the police them well want because this same seventh time, them well want ugly some for join the police work. So them say alright, because you have to can write, And them give ugly them cut ugly some slack by give just say, all right, just write a biographical information about your past, about yourself, so you're all right with for your born, the day you're born, this, that, and where you live and them thing. And not even that the man could have write. So I know him in a police business. So I just saw it go on him thing. That's a PMP is here. Him in a police business and him and a police. So I don't know why and him never in a Rockford business. I tell police why I go on a Rockford or tell the youth them to behave themselves. But I will if I men him send a Rockford to prison, Send them a prisoner foreign. Yeah. So, so when police officers align themselves with a particular political faction, they cease to be guardians of the law and instead become enforcers of partisan interest. This not only subvert the rule of law, but also perpetuate a cycle of violence, oppression, and fear within society. Moreover, it undermines the state's legitimacy and threatens the fabric of democratic governance. So when police operate in other sphere, them now do not good for the country. The erosion of impartiality in law enforcement has far-reaching implications for civil liberties and human rights. When police officers like the Renita Adams, the Rowan James, Rowan Bulldog Wilson will just get soup, Sergeant Arlene McBean and the others them were down there. Remember all the women, And one of them my federation in time the the PMP criminal organization judge when named Tara in time she reinstate the Rowan James. Hey, do man call me and cuss me, man. Oh, yeah. Say I God and them. I tell you now, wicked people, I tell you about God, you know. People them wanna not believe in the rule of law. Once you're right, once them like you, you're right. Them not tell you the truth. I don't know Corporal Rowan James. Never met him. You understand? Because I have never met him, and him never work. I can't tell you everything that you have done. You out there in a campaign in a PMP criminal organization, paraphernalia. That is wrong. That me no busy about you, your PM. If I did labor right, I see him think so. It's not who is right, it's what is right. I don't know your friend not tell you the truth, but most of them not tell you the truth because they think just like you. So in the people, their minds skewed and them thing there. What kind of society? You understand? When you have when you have people that do the wrong thing and people say, boy, oh, we support them. I see them like how when them support when the police officer then support Corporal Rowan James. It's the same thing, just like how I support Andre Blackman Bryan and Tesha Miller and Donovan Bulby Bennett. So as you look, you see them two police officers, Renita Adams and Harry Bungles. Them man they wasn't police, them man they was political activists. All them do is just look out for people where PMP. You understand? So we continue the journey. You understand? So in time when police officers prioritize political loyalty over their duty to protect and serve, they inevitably trampled upon the rights of the centers, activists, and marginalized communities. Freedom of speech, assembly, and association are stifled. Dissent is suppressed, and political opponents are targeted for persecution. This not only violates the principles of democracy, but also perpetuates a climate of fear and intimidation where citizens are afraid to exercise their fundamental rights for fear of reprisal. In a democratic society, accountability is the cornerstone of governance. Good governance, too. Law enforcement agency must be held to the highest integrity, transparency, and accountability standards to ensure they serve the people's interests, not the powerful whims, not the PMP criminal organization or the GLP government or the GLP party. Them supposed to be there, and your loyalty must to the Jamaican Constitution. I have never seen myself as any activist. Say me I protect nobody through them a PMP or protect them, say them a labor right. I do my work and I do it without fear or affection. As a youth, we're born and grow in the PMP criminal organization community. Because I think that I have seen and witnessed why I say no, me want to be a part of the solution, not a part of the problem. Yeah, you understand? And that's why this man is my role model. This is the man why I decided at 4, I want to be a police officer. And from that, and I have never evolved when you talk about crime fighting. I have never evolved. Me never talk, from me at 4, I believe if a man kill somebody, them for lose them life. Me never evolve. Me no believe in a man for kill nobody and get a second chance. So I have never evolved. So that's the man that have that impact on me. Me not talk about family member. Me not talk about this. This are the man when you hear the people them in the community talk. You understand? You feel like yes, this are the man more want to be that kind of hero for the people them. When you hear people in our community, I say, oh, end time, when Mr. Levine come, say a justice here I get. That's how me did feel. And that's why at 4 years old, that impact what that man have on me. I imagine I working with him. Me never asked him if he's my labor or PM. Me know one thing me know for sure, say him not like the Rima people them. You understand? Yeah, I tell you that. Me know that for sure. And me and him sit down one day when he was at Unsby and we have a good talk. And him, some things him impart to me. That's why I'm still here. As him say, and him tell me, one person you trust in this police force is me, myself, and I. Not because you're not somebody work and you're them close. And you might feel say you're them close, but you're them not close. Because them are your biggest enemy. You understand? I'm learn a lot from him. That's why I'm able to survive. Yeah, and I whole heap of thing him in party, man. Them man ain't in a partisan act. This man was a police officer. And him have the highest integrity. Law enforcement agencies must be held to the highest integrity, transparency, and accountability standards to ensure they serve the people's interests, not the powerful whims. And you know, so that's what these guys they have done. Renita Adams and Rowan James. Renita Adams, anytime the PMP are about to call election, you just see him go Spanish Town Road to Tivoli Garden and him start fire, you know, brrr, yeah, shoot all people, all women where she a walk on a limp and little pitney, whole man, we sit down on him, sit down on him, sit down out there, and I just get some sun. Because certain time people old and retire and them in their 70s and them barely can't walk. People them get up them, you know, because when you live in I get one of them thing there, you know. You understand? Or I never live at Tivoli Garden, so me don't know about them. Me just I tell you about like where me come from. And when the people them, the old people them reach a certain age, them have diabetes and you understand, and you will see them go to a clinic, you know, beside the Admiral Town police station, and them have to drink them tea, black tea, you know, because most people don't know how them life are going on. Black tea. If you have a sauce up tree in your yard or a lime tree, lime tree, you wash off, you leave them and like to use and boil tea for them, and them eat them slice of bread. I just saw it go. Them not nothing for boy if you go make no sardine or you know, you make sandwich. I just say raw bread and a tea, and them have diabetes. So you know, so them eyesight start going, people have to hold them, and I saw it going on. So the old people them dead on a Tivoli Garden and them sit down, and them just come in and the other police and start shoot them up. And then now, you know, so you have the media now perpetuate this thing now. You know, this say, yeah, everybody down here saw a gunman or a murderer. But you understand, but yet still, you know, appear old people them kill. Not one young, healthy young man them kill. And then them go up in a police post and just put the gun through the window and see if him you know, have the camera and run it Adams, you know. And him just a fire the M16 and not looking where him firing. All that now, you know, for sure, say him have no regard for people life down there, so. Or because them a labor right. And between me and you, it's not everybody will live in a Tivoli Gardens are really labor right, but I just saw the community them stay. Are you going to have people live inside the way, have PMP leaning, but them can't talk, so they have to keep it to themselves and them have to just go along with it. I just saw it go. Seem like how in a Jonestown and Jungle. The most vote a labor right candidate ever get in a jungle at the other day in an election. And the reason because the election was fair. So let's do the maths. You understand? So when police officers abuse their authority for political ends, they must face swift and decisive consequences to deter others from following suit. So that's why we say Rowan James and we kick him out of the police force forthwith. I don't know why them are wait pan and them are drag out this thing. Them to kick him out because everything this man and a police in him, a political activist in a uniform. So in conclusion, Jamaican cops who prioritize political activism over the welfare of the people are not only betraying the trust placed in them, but also undermining the very foundations of democracy and the rule of law. You know, so them police officers are corros now, corrobonkers. Me not no respect for them. You understand? The guy not come tell me about say, hey, look here. And man I come say, boy, you're not PMP and I never see myself as a politician yet. Never. Ask any police when me and them work. Them always assume say me a PMP. Me and a PMP means police. Ask Orius Daly when me tell him, yeah man, Orius Daly, I see him guy will say my gangster for life. He must brigadista. Ask Orius Daly when me tell him. Orius Daly tell me, and I say, boy, you know, say I send you come up so, for you take care of your comrades them. Me say, take care of your comrades them. I say, where you get that from? Him say, you know, big PMP. Me say, nah man, where you get that from? Man? Me say, me a police. Me never see myself as a political activist. Never. When me join the police force, me never join if you come protect the PMP. Me join the police force to protect the people of Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constitution. Yes. You understand? I miss the police come to farm a crime. Yeah, the ox, them and the cowboy, them commit all kind of crime for PMP criminal organization. And the more crime of them commit, the more promotion them get. You understand? Me say all police will join all the police force after me. With them in a thief. And me say them reach all the rank of detective sergeant. And me I say, wow. Thief, you know, man. Me I talk about thief. This a police, you understand? Where them do all kind of things and them girl, man, them gun figure commit crime and police know, but because them connected, I mean, I tell you, you understand? So impartiality, fairness, and equality are not mere ideals, but the bedrock upon which a just and inclusive society is built. Law enforcement agencies must uphold these principles unwavering and serve all citizens' interests regardless of their political affiliation. Anything less would constitute a betrayal to the highest order and grave injustice to the people of Jamaica. So what Renita Adams and this man have done, yeah man, Rowan James, great disservice to the Jamaican people. These people don't represent Jamaica. These are traitors. You understand? So, we are imploring, the Jamaican people, yeah, if you stand, you stand with with the law, what bread is no good. Hey, look here, you see when let me tell you this. A pure bush tea, hey, look, you see when you live in a them community here, you have to understand this, You see poor people have to improvise how them eat. So you understand? That's why when the people them in these community, these impoverished community, because they don't eat healthy. So when them reach in them 50s, most of them start have diabetes. You have to understand, in them community there, all people get to eat, is dumpling, rice, and them live a country, where them can go them field or them farm and dig up things. Like, people live a country and them thing upon weekend or during the week near the Friday, them go to the farm and them get them banana or them yam and all of these things. And that's why the people in my country healthier than the people in my town. The people in my town will live in a garrison. Once them reach certain age, them have all kind of ailment because them cannot afford the food to stay healthy. So if we are for a better Jamaica, we don't want a politician, we don't want a political activist in the police force because them are terrorists. You understand? Make Bam Bam from sweet cassava, what glycemic level to what Bam Bam or Bammy. Bammy attack. So you can pose a question and we answer it, truthfully. You understand? Make Bammy from sweet cassava, wheat glycemic level too high. Oh, okay. So you say, so the Bammy is healthy and them thing. Yeah, hey, and say albami dumpling. Hey, I don't know if you ever eat albami, bami, nice, the dumpling, Yeah, man, it have a flavor, just nice. You understand? Yeah, yeah. Remember, yeah, man. So yeah, so give the video a thumbs up, man. Yeah, thumbs up the video. Yeah, so only thing we want, we just want back with Jamaica and we want it back. Oh, cassava dumpling, yeah, man, cassava dumpling, nice, man. Believe you me. You understand? And just remember, say, the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we have a number, where, that, you can call. And anything that we have said that you want to correct it, yeah, you call the number and correct it and we allow you to do it, We're not, we're not just in our bubble. And we don't know everything either. We learn from each other. Yes, we learn from each other. And people like Corporal Rowan James, yeah, man, dangerous people. So, police officers who support Corporal Rowan James, we are telling this as a old police, as somebody who's from, yeah, you understand, a polite reminder to please give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, man, thanks, Sandra, true, man. Yeah, so we just tell you them thing. Now, look, if we want to read the country of criminality, we have to start from the top and in a police force, though. We can have a police officer like Corporal Rowan James or Renita Adams who when time election. All right, imagine right now we have a Jamaica Labour Party government, in a power. Imagine if the Prime Minister him tell the Commissioner of Police, hey, I send someone police go down at a jungle and just start shoot up the place and carry CVM and then them paint the people them down they say boy, kill all old people and paint them say boy, all the old people them a fire gun on them thing. That's not right. But hey, look, the PMP do anything for win election. Them not care. Them not have no respect for the rule of law or respect for our rights to the people. And we as the Jamaican people in a Jamaica and the diaspora have to stand up for this. As we said, the only way to make Jamaica better, you know. Right now, them claim that we have them are change the constitution to a republic. Are just two things the Jamaican people them need. Two things. Two things. One, make sure that any person who represent them in a parliament, born. We're not talking about a naturalized Jamaica. You're born in a Jamaica. You have to born in Jamaica. Whether you're born downtown, uptown, roundtown, you have to born in Jamaica. Not late registration birth. And not Jamaican because of your parent. No, you have to born there. You understand? You can't live a foreigner, you have pitney a foreigner, and then you're pitney a claim. Yeah, nothing wrong. You have a passport and you have to bond it. Your birth certificate, yeah. Your birth certificate have to be a part of a process to become a member of parliament and automatically the prime minister. You don't want a foreigner there. Two, that's how we get back Jamaica. Two, the person who want to represent the constituency must live in a community. If you don't live in a community, you can't represent there. So a guy will live uptown can represent the people them are jungle. He have to know where the people them are live, and that's how the people them life are going to improve. But you know, so the same people them are dumb because them are saying, well, like how the people them say, Desmond Mackenzie still have in place down at Tivoli where him live, and him still go down there hang out with the people them, and although him have him bodyguard them is not there because all of the people are the same born and grow at Tivoli. So them know say a theme community that him not come from elsewhere. So just like how the foreigner, the man born in England, Mark Gombebeer Golding, him supposed to born a jungle, just like how Desmond Mackenzie born at Tivoli and grow down there. And that's so you're gonna get the community them better. And you understand? When you have people born elsewhere and represent the people, you're going to a problem. And we in the diaspora, we just want back Jamaica. We want it back from these people. All of them. We're tired of the the corruption. You understand? Eat out the fabric, the nation. Eat it out. You understand? We just want back Jamaica. Jamaica is a nice place, Yeah, Jamaica is a nice place. I will tell you, Corporal Warren James is the kind of policeman who will give criminals his uniform and guns to commit crimes because he doesn't respect the laws of Jamaica. He's a criminal activist in uniform. And you can't trust him. He's not a cop. He's a political activist. So we just want Jamaica and want it back from all of these people. Yeah, so man. Corporal Rowan. Yes, Corporal Rowan James, him get 3-year free money from the minister. Him and all him at being and the others. And we are telling you all the little police them or them, them are dummy. And you want back these people there. The people them were not looking out for you. So sometimes you have to protect people from them own self. You have to protect people from them own self. We don't want a police force. We don't want a political activist in our police force. We want a police force that is there for the people. So we're tired of the political activists them. And mostly, during my entire stint in our police force, I never met a Jamaica Labour Party activist in a police uniform. Let me repeat myself. I have never met a Jamaica Labour Party activist in a uniform. So me can't tell you that man they are Labour right and I'm in a defend. I look out for Labour right them interests. When I was at Unsby, I tell you already, the most peaceful eras them in a Unsby, St. Andrews South Police era, whether or not you want to believe it, was the Jamaica Labour Party stronghold them. Towile, for the entire time I work at St. Andrews, Towile must say about 4 murders for all, 4 murders. And they were internal, and them kill and brother name, how his name, Shower Owie or something like that. He must have done. And it have to do with them did say him and his brother, he and his brother, they did have some disagreement and but on June all of them, so Towile, Compound and Falcon and Seaview Gardens. All of the other places them crab up. PMP criminal organization supporters. I don't know why the people them, because education, they don't believe in education, reading, and they don't understand how to solve problems. So I just hope you enjoyed today's program. And same time tomorrow on Saturday. So have yourself a beautiful day. And thanks for chiming in. Yeah, man. And yeah. So yeah, man, thanks, Sister Dan. Yeah, man, Sandra, Andrew, Vendetta, yes, Evelyn, Merlin, what is Basra God? Mine, I bro God that, Yeah, Raphael Satchel. Yeah. Hey, so hey, why you related to the Satchel them up by where you used to go St. Mary's College? I used to go school with Sean Satchel, Yeah, Freeman, Stokely, yeah man, Durka, Ruben, Sangster, Julio, Cecile, Sandra, yeah man, the live catcher. How are you catch? Errol, so yeah, I will give thanks, man. Yeah man, I'm big up to Sonia. Yeah man, Sonia writes. Yeah man, she was right there, before everything started to make sure that she's present. Yeah man, thanks to all of you guys that tuning in. And yeah man, we meet up again tomorrow. Tomorrow topic. We put it out from in the morning so that look, those are those in the Patreon. Yes, we can discuss on what topic we want to talk about tomorrow, because everything that we're discussing, it's have to do with crime and Jamaica, nothing else. And as we're saying, it's whoever is willing to fix this problem that we're having there. We don't care which guy. You understand? Yeah, and yeah. I support what you are saying. Police must be neutral. Why would anyone elect a police for a member of parliament? Makes no sense. Well, hey, look here. Wow, St. Mary's College is a border between St. Andrew and St. Catherine. You go to Stone Hill, or you can go to Bagwalk or Akazal. It's near to Glengarth, though. That's where St. Mary's College is, and near to Oberlin High School. Yeah, man. Respect, Sister Dan. Well, whether or not you want to believe it is an arrest, you have police officer and them. May I tell you, them. As I've stated before, you used to have two police officers when I grew up. More or less you weren't here when the program started. Named Police and Barrington Hamilton, and the other one named Big Youth. Then the man that was more PMP than Michael Man. Them the police there. They would have come for bad man. When I say bad man, in a Jonestown, and then just go ream any labor right here and just kill labor right and come back. In a mark police in the 70s. And them not go to prison and them thing. Because them in a do what Michael Man they want them to do. I just saw it go. Me I tell you. But I any idea them thing there. Both of them dead. Big Youth was killed by Tony Wells. Tony Sparling, yeah, it's alleged that Tony Sparling tell Tony Wells, say, boy, Big Youth know too much now, because Big Youth kill a whole heap of labor right, and them say him know too much now, because he was one of the police when I issue gun to a gunman them. Me don't know how a man do it as police, and them their own people have illegal gun and give them issue illegal gun. So these people are not people, them are not patriots. That couldn't happen to me. I wouldn't do that. You have a guy who come from Jonestown named Kirk White. Kirk White was a bodyguard, Dudley Thompson. The man they are PMP, but him come. And because Kirk White never go along with the program, say I'm left a police force as sergeant. I don't know what Kirk White did at Half a Tree, why they put him back on a uniform and send him to St. Mary. But he was a bad police too, bad detective, But, although him come from Jonestown and him parents him live a jungle. In a long run, him not get nothing from them and them thing there. Even when PMP in a power for so many years. Because I'm a bodyguard, Dudley Thompson. Bad police in there come from Jonestown. Yeah, so have yourself a beautiful day. Yeah, man. I saw it go, Sandra. It's sad for real, man. Yeah, man. And thanks, Dan, for tuning in. And Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.